Today I'm going to show you how to download your iMovie for your final iMovie Black History Month research project. I'm going to show you how to upload it to Canvas, and I'm going to show you how to post on Padlet. So there are two parts to this activity in terms of getting credit for the final project. You need to upload it to Canvas and you need to post it on Padlet. Okay? So you can see here I have the assignment. On one side I know it says try again. I've already submitted one, so I'm just going to show you how to submit. And then we have our iMovie open on the other side. So let's start first with how we download an iMovie. Super simple. In the top right hand corner you see the share button here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that share button. We have a couple of options. What we're going to do is YouTube and Facebook. Okay, YouTube and Facebook. There's not much to say about this screen here, so let's click next. And we're going to give it a name, so if you could give it the name of the person that you researched, and we're going to save it onto our desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and press save. And that's going to take a moment to load, so I want to go back to the assignment page while we're waiting for that to load. So the only type of file that is going to be accepted for this project is a .mov. So by sharing it as if we were to share it on YouTube or Facebook, that will automatically turn it into a .mov. Now the other thing that we need to do is post it on Padlet. So I'm going to click here. Okay, we don't need to worry about any of that. It might ask you to log in, and that's okay. That's something that we can do if necessary. And if it does ask you to log in, please log in with your student email, your lbschools.net email. So in the bottom right-hand corner, that's where we're going to post. Okay, so let's first focus on the part of uploading it to our assignment. So I have to click try again because I am showing you this second time for me. And again, as you can see, it says it's only going to permit a MOV file, which is what this is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over to the side. It's still taking a moment to load. So don't complete these steps until it is fully loaded onto your desktop. So you'll know that it's fully loaded excuse me, onto your desktop when this little Q disappears and a screen possibly with the person you researched picture on it. So just wait for that step, because otherwise you're going to get what I had just now, which was no preview available. If I go to attempt 1, it says preview unavailable because in the last tutorial I tried to give you, I didn't wait. I'm probably not going to wait this time either, just because I want to get this taken care of. So what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag this from our desktop onto here. We're going to let it load, and we're going to submit. Okay. And again, it shows no preview because I didn't wait. Please make sure that you wait. So I'm going to say that again. Please make sure that you wait for it to be completely loaded onto your desktop before you actually submit it. Work on something else while you are waiting and then come back to this. All of your other assignments are open to you while you are waiting. You can work on any of those. Okay, so now the second piece, which again I'm not going to wait for this to load. I'm going to get this out of the way because I don't need it anymore. I'm not going to wait for this to load onto my desktop. I'm just going to show you the next piece. I've clicked on the Padlet button. Okay, and so I'm going to click in the bottom right hand corner this time on the little plus sign. And where it says subject, what I'd like for you to write is the person that you researched, and your name first and last. Okay, and then down at the bottom you're going to put for my iMovie research project, I researched Oprah Winfrey. Okay, so again, at the top please put the person's name by and then your name, and then at the bottom you're going to put for my iMovie research project, I researched Oprah Winfrey. Okay, and then very simply I'm just going to click on the upload a file. I'm going to upload that movie, and then again If you waited, as you should, for this to fully load onto your desktop, there will be a little preview right here, okay? If you have little fishies or something else, that means that your video hadn't processed yet and it wasn't ready to be uploaded. Even if you have to return to this tomorrow and upload it tomorrow, you're totally fine with that, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click publish. And that's it. Now, if there are other people's videos that are up at the same time, go ahead and take a check some of those your classmates' videos out. See what they did with theirs. We have a little like button down here. You can click the like button if it was something that you enjoyed or learned, or maybe it was somebody that you hadn't thought about doing a project before and you thought it was interesting. Give that person a like, okay? So that is how we are going to upload our video to Canvas and post it on Padlet. And I'm gonna say this one last time before I sign off. Please make sure that your video has loaded onto your desktop before you complete any of these steps. If you have preview unavailable, I can't watch your video, others can't watch your video. We want to make sure that we can watch your video because it's your hard work that you put together. All right? And as you can see right before I'm about to sign off, it's turned black. So the little Q has disappeared and now it's ready to actually officially be uploaded. So if I were to do this process again, now I would be ready to do that. All right, good luck.